I'm Deborah from Cosmetics for Confidence, and today I just wanted to quickly show you some of the new festival makeup that's come from Avon. Yeah, as you can see, I've done one side of the face. I'm just going to very briefly talk you through what I've done. I had like foundation on and a bit of eyeshadow before, but then what I've put on here is using the gel paint pencil in silver. I've lined the eyeliner underneath and obviously put that on top, and it's really creamy to apply, so you could actually cover the whole eyelid if you wanted to. I'm just going to put a little bit on the other side just so you can quickly see the difference and how quick that would be to apply. It's really soft. So you can see the difference there. Okay, so that's the first thing. I'm going to show you the mascara. It comes in 3 different colours. They've got glitter mascara. So this takes me back a bit to the 80s. This one's the purple with glitter. There's a black and there's electric blue colour as well. Again, you can see what I've done. I'm just going to just very quickly do the top lashes there. But as you can see, I spent a bit longer on this eye here earlier applying that mascara. But it does have the glitter in the light as well. So what else have I got? Well, we've got 4 different illuminating gel drops here in different shades. I've used a little bit of the white one, okay, flickering lights, and just put a little bit of that along the cheekbone there, and if you look, I can see it shimmering anyway, but obviously you could put it down your nose, just above your lip, in wherever you want, and they're 4 different shades, and it's absolutely lovely. So you can just drop however much you want, and then you can just lightly, you can put that on top of your foundation, or you could apply it underneath your foundation, depending on the sort of look you're wanting. So you can just apply, which is absolutely lovely little drops. We've also got, as you can see, the little gemstones, and I'm going to show you the different ones that we do. There's, I think, 4 different sets. So I've got one set on, but you can just create your own design, as you can see here. There's also that one, sorry, and there's this one as well. And so I've just gone for the plain. And what is really fantastic about these is they just peel off. So I'm going to quickly show you just one of them actually on. So this is what you get. So it shows you what to do. And you're not obviously having to put every little gel on. You can just peel off very carefully what you need. And then you would just simply apply that as so underneath the eye. And obviously that just comes off really simply. The final thing I was just going to quickly show you is some of the nail varnishes that we do. These are a whole bright range that we do. These are just some of the tropical nail varnishes that have come out in this campaign. Absolutely fantastic. So if you want to know anything more about the festival makeup, have a bit of fun. Do you know what? I was at a car boot sale yesterday, and the feedback I got, I should have worn this, was fantastic. But people were looking at it for younger daughters, granddaughters, nieces, not just for the festivals. You can take this right through to Christmas and into next year. Such a bit of fun, really stand out. If you want to stand out from the crowd, this is it. Thanks everyone, bye for now.